We are making puff pastry. Oh. I've never used this before, so I'm going to give it a try. I'll let you know if it works. One time I bought a pastry roll and I rolled it out and it was a hot mess, as my niece used that word, hot mess. It did not work. Okay, so good so far. Let's see. I might have me a new. All right, I like this. So far, this is good. Now, let's get our dessert to go on it. And we're going to see if we like this thing. I'm so excited about that. I like it when something works, don't you? There's nothing worse than unrolling it and it ain't nothing but a big blob. Okay, we're going to put a little here, a little there, and then we're going to cut like I know what I'm doing. Okay, I'm guessing. Ooh, I like it. Okay. Oh, I'm enjoying it. This right. This might work perfect. And I do have some Cool Whip. I might have probably should have put egg wash on the end, but it's okay because the way I want it to come apart, this gonna work. Ah. Yes, I got enough for 2 more. Ah. All right. Oh, I'm happy about that. So, the only thing left is let the oven do what it do. And we might just have a nice dessert today to experiment on something new. Okay. I need some ice cream. I might have to call DoorDash. Now, that's one thing I haven't mastered how to make, okay? All right. So, we're going to see how it looks. It won't look like that. But I guarantee you it's going to be good with ice cream. So I'll have a post on it. This is Laverne from Use What You Got. Now I just wanted to share with you a quick recipe for dessert for you and the family. All right, stay tuned. We'll see you on our live next week. All right, bye-bye. Don't forget, like, share, send, subscribe.